Hello everyone, this is Modifiers Part 2. We are going to solve the exercises together. Let's start. Now open your grammar books on page 200. Write adverb, adjective, or prepositional phrase to identify each underlined modifier. Number 1. We always visit the beach. Here, always is an adverb that modifies the verb visit. It tells when we visit. Warm sun. Warm is an adjective that modifies the noun sun. Very loudly is an adverb that modifies another adverb loudly. And tiny jellyfish. Tiny is an adjective that modifies the noun jellyfish. On the foot starts with a preposition. This means it is a prepositional phrase. And it modifies the word that is close to it, which means it modifies the pronoun me. This means it is an adjective phrase. Write each prepositional phrase. Tell whether it acts as an adverb or an adjective by writing adverb or adjective. Number 1. Near my house is a beautiful sand beach. Where is the prepositional phrase in this sentence? Yes, near is a preposition. Near my house is the prepositional phrase. Remember, prepositional phrase doesn't have verb. This means that we will have to stop at is. We don't include is. We don't include verbs in prepositional phrases. So, near my house is a prepositional phrase and it comes at the beginning of the sentence. This means it is an adverb. Number 2, several members of my family jog on the wet sand. Here, of my family is the first prepositional phrase. And because it comes after the noun members, this means it is an adjective. Adjectives describe pronouns or nouns. The next prepositional phrase is on the wet sand. Here it comes after the verb jog. This means it is an adverb. Adverbs modify verbs. Now please try to do the rest by yourself and come back to check with me. Okay, number 3, with big red letters is an adjective that modifies the noun sign. At your own risk is an adverb that modifies the verb swim. Of all ages is an adjective that modifies the noun people. On the pier is an adverb that modifies the verb relax. And above the blue ocean water is an adverb because it comes at the beginning of the sentence. Towards the clouds is an adverb because it modifies the verb soar. Number 6. Sunbathers with towels and in lounge chairs nap in the sun or read books. The first prepositional phrase here is with towels. Yes, exactly. And it modifies the noun sunbathers. That's why it's an adjective. In lounge chairs has the word and before it. This means it modifies the same noun sunbathers. That's why it's an adjective. In the sun is an adverb that modifies the verb nap, the verb that is close to it. Now try to do the rest by yourself and come back to check with me. Okay, number 7. With broad wings is an adjective that modifies the noun seagulls. Along the long sandy coastline is an adverb phrase that modifies the verb dive. By late afternoon is an adverb phrase because it comes at the beginning of the sentence. Of the people is an adjective that modifies the pronoun most. Of beautiful reds and oranges is an adjective because it modifies the noun sunset. Too many peaceful days is an adjective that modifies the noun end. Now here number 10 is tricky. Pay attention, please. A runner is alone. A runner is alone with the cries of the gulls. Here alone is an adjective, right? So with the cries is an adverb phrase that modifies the adjective alone. But here of the gulls is an adjective that modifies only the word before it, not the phrase, not the adverb phrase, the word cries before it, which is a noun. That's why it's an adjective phrase that modifies the noun cries. In this page, we need to find the 3 modifiers in each sentence. So we're gonna search for adjectives, adverbs, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. Number 1. We have 1, 2, 3 modifiers. Gray is an adjective, modifies the noun bank. Of clouds is an adjective that modifies the bank also. On the horizon is an adverb that modifies the verb loomed. Now please pause the video and try to do the rest by yourself and come back to check with me. Okay, number 2. 1, 2, 3 modifiers. Adjective, adverb, adverb. Number 3, 1, 2, 3 modifiers. Adjective, adjective, adverb. Number 4, 1, 2, 3 modifiers. Adjective, loudly is an adverb that modifies the verb cold, and to children is an adverb that modifies another adverb, loudly. Number 5, 1, 2, 3 modifiers. Here it's tricky, be careful. Everyone on the beach ran under a canopy for shelter. The first one is easy. On the beach is an adjective because it modifies the noun everyone. But under a canopy is an adjective, is an adverb because it modifies the verb ran. Here is the tricky thing. For shelter, does it modify the whole phrase under a canopy or only the word before it? Yes, only the word before it, which is canopy. So for shelter is an adjective that modifies the noun canopy. Okay, the rest are easy. Here, number 8, cautious people always put an umbrella and a jacket in their bags. Cautious, always, and in their bags. Cautious is an adjective that modifies the noun people. Always is an adverb that tells when the people put an umbrella. And in their bags is an adjective that modifies the noun jacket. In number 9, we need to underline the adjectives and adverbs and circle the modifiers. Easy, but be careful. We have 2 misplaced modifiers and we need to fix them. Okay, let's start with number 9. These is an adjective. Of sand is a prepositional phrase. From sandstone, prepositional phrase. Over the centuries, prepositional phrase. Slowly is an adverb. Soft is an adjective. And into gravel is a prepositional phrase. Now please try to do the rest and find the misplaced modifier and come back with me. Okay, in number 13 we have a misplaced modifier. Let's read and find out the problem and try to fix it. Roots hold the soil in place of plants. Here, of plants is a misplaced modifier because it should be close to the word it modifies, roots. So the roots of plants hold the soil in place. Number 16, also we have a misplaced modifier. From New Mexico should be close to the couple, the word that it modifies. That's why we should say the couple from New Mexico watched the crab walk sideways. This is your homework. Check it, please. In number 7 and 8, we have misplaced modifier. Number 7, we only could stay till 4 o'clock. Here, the word only should be close to the word it modifies, which is in this case stay. So we could only stay till 4 o'clock. Number 8, the girl saw a dolphin in an inner tube. Here, the prepositional phrase in an inner tube is misplaced. It should be close to the word it modifies, which is in this case girl. So the girl in an inner tube saw a dolphin. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.